So I'm just going to make a short video on apple cider mole removal because I haven't seen a lot of long-term results videos on YouTube. So I removed this particular mole, which is on my inner thigh, about 5 years ago. And I'll show you a few pictures here. Pretty uniform. It was kind of like a birth mole, I guess. I don't know how long I'd had it, but pretty raised. Here's another picture of it. Kind of has some weird hairs growing out of it. And the basic procedure is you put apple cider vinegar with the mother in it on a ball of cotton, and you put a Band-Aid, soak the cotton swab in the vinegar and put a Band-Aid on top to hold it in place. And after a few weeks, you're going to get something that looks sort of like this. Apple cider vinegar does eat away at your skin, so that is healthy skin that the vinegar is kind of eating away. But it does eat the mole significantly faster than it does your skin. And I've heard some people say they put like cure-all or lotion around the outside so it doesn't wear down their skin as fast. And eventually this will just kind of scab off. So the end result after 5 years is this. And there's the outlines of what remains of the mole. If someone didn't know it was there, they wouldn't see it. But you see, I still got weird hairs growing out of it. So is this method good or is this method bad? I don't really know. The problem is there's still a little bit of root left to the mole. So if you had a cancerous mole, yeah, you removed the top, but you didn't remove the bottom. So you didn't really fix the problem. If it's just a cosmetic thing, yeah, cosmetically this fixes the problem. Now, could I actually go down and get that whole root by retreating it? Maybe. I'm not sure. But that's the result after 5 years. Barely noticeable, very little discoloration, and the mole has not come back.